sorry, Mr. Deckard. I think I'm losing you. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hold on one second. I don't know. Hold on 1 second. Do you really have to do that right now?
Yes, I do. I should have done this weeks ago, actually.
Mr. Deckard, I'm sorry about that. Can you hold up 1 second? Yeah, just 1 second. Thanks. Hello? Oh, that's it. Perfect. So what I was saying... Hello? Thanks, boy.
Nagapang na ang baby.
Tit for tat. That is not the expression of what should be.
Palapit na oh. Marunong na siyang gumapang dati oh.
Ano na yun?
This is my biggest sale of the year.
Ang
They
galing.
love me over there for some reason.
Magaling sa Jaya si Baby Axel.
Year just to renew their account, and that one call ends up being 25% of my commission for the whole year. So I buy a big bottle of champagne, celebrate. And this year I'm pushing recycle day the 1% one.
Ah, galing maglakad. Ah, galing ng baby. Isa pa. Oh, galing humakbang ng baby. Ayan na.
Kasi pinapanood niya eh.
Ang galing maglakad ng baby. Oh, nanood na daw siya ng TV. Oh, sige.
Sige, lakad na nun.
Sit down na daw siya. Ang
Hindi
galing
naman
maglakad.
nakakapanood eh.
Ang gusto pa harap. Ah, baby, I love you.
Ingod na ikaw.